Hello everyone, this is Sihan from the Research and Development Department in Market Equity, and in this video I'm going to be talking about some of the important instruments and their price movement predictions for the day, which falls on a Tuesday, 21st of December 2021. Let's begin with the US dollar versus the Japanese yen, where in the previous videos we said that in the 4-hour time frame the pair is moving in a sideways movement inside the overall uptrend in the daily time frame, and recently we can see that after breaking upwards to level 113.85, the pair continued to form a new peak around level 114.25 and then rebounded downwards off of it, where by rebounding upwards off of around level 113.30, it supports the continuity of the current sideways movement in the 4-hour time frame. Upon breaking down through level 113.30, it is expected to break down through level 112.70 after targeting it as a primary target in the sideways movement, and then by breaking down through that level, it will support the extension of the downwards correctional movement, which will extend to retest around level 111.70, then around level 110.85. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that due to the indicator moving around level 50, it supports the probability of rebounding down off of around the current levels in order to continue with the sideways movement. That was it for the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. Let's move on to the silver. In the previous videos we said that the silver is moving in a downtrend in the 4-hour time frame, and we said that unless the silver breaks upwards to level 22.60, then we are still moving in a downtrend. Recently, we can see that the silver has rebounded down off of around level 22.60, where it is currently retesting around level 22.20, which resembles a horizontal support level for the silver in the 1-hour time frame, and therefore, by rebounding upwards off of it, will support the continuity of the current upwards correctional movement in the 4-hour time frame, and this will be confirmed upon the breaking upwards to level 22.35 in the 1-hour time frame. What further supports this is that if we notice the bearish movement momentum, then we can see that it is much weaker than the previous bullish movement momentum, which further supports the breaking upwards to level 22.60 as we said, and in this case, if we notice the daily time frame, we can see that upon rebounding upwards off of around level 21.40, the silver is expected to break upwards to level 22.60, and in this case, it will extend to retest around level 23, then around level 23.70. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that due to the indicator beginning to respect around levels 40 or 50, it supports the continuity of the current upwards correctional movement, since in the upwards scenario, levels 40 and 50 resemble horizontal support levels for the indicator. That was it for the silver. Let's move on to the US 500. In the 4-hour time frame, we previously said that the index was moving in a sideways movement or a downtrend inside the overall uptrend in the daily time frame. Recently, we can see that the index has formed a new low around level 4,530 near the upwards trend line in the daily time frame, which further supports the continuity of the overall uptrend, and we can see that it is currently being traded around level 4,607, which resembles a horizontal resistance level for the index in the 4-hour time frame, and therefore, by breaking upwards to it, will support the continuity of the overall uptrend, as well as the targeting of around level 4,660 as a primary target in the uptrend. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that due to the rebounding upwards off of around level 30 from inside the oversold area, it supports the continuity of the current sideways movement in the 4-hour time frame, as well as supports the continuity of the overall uptrend in the daily time frame. That was it for the US 500 index. Market Equity wishes you successful trading. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.